Welcome to Bitcoin News today on the 4th of September 2018. I'm James and welcome to today's episode. We are seeing the Bitcoin price rising to the highest point that it's been really since the 11th of August, at when we reached basically what was pretty much an all-time low down there at $5,892 US. So the price is now rising and we are encountering a resistance point where we did encounter resistance before between the 17th and the 23rd of July. And what caused the breakout then was an increase in the RSI. So we can see here on the bottom part of the graph, the RSI is steadily increasing. We need it to break through there to go above 70 to help the price to break out. If that doesn't happen, then we could see a bit of a decline in price, as I mentioned in my previous video, before another bull run. And I'm still aiming for that price to go to $10,000 plus. Definitely by the end of the year. So in today's news, we've got Elon Musk playing along with an Ethereum scam, Bitcoin Gold delisted from one of the top crypto exchanges, and an interesting story about the abandoned Bitcoin Dark project, which has seen a bit of a pump today. So if that's interesting, definitely stay tuned, subscribe and like the video. So first of all, the story about Bitcoin Gold. This was delisted from the Bittrex crypto exchange due to an $18 million hack. So Bitcoin Gold is a fork of Bitcoin, and amongst cryptocurrency startup companies, the risk of theft, extortion or major attack is very significant. The cryptocurrency community has always been especially susceptible to crime. Tell me about it, the number of times I've been ripped off by people on local bitcoins because of the prevalence of technology-minded hackers in the markets, as well as the anonymous nature of cryptocurrencies in general. For those reasons, startup projects looking to capitalize on the recent spike in public interest in cryptocurrencies are required to be increasingly careful when it comes to their security. If they fail to secure their own servers, the repercussions can be severe. The executives behind the Bitcoin spin-off Bitcoin Gold are learning this very lesson at the time of writing today. Following a major hack that lost over $20 million US in Bitcoin Gold funds from users in the past year, several members of the cryptocurrency community have come forward to question the security measures that have been taken by Bitcoin Gold's developers. In particular, several exchanges affected by the heists have requested fair compensation for the loss of funds resulting from faulty mechanisms, which they blame for the major thefts that plagued the currency and its exchanges in the past few months. In total, the cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex lost around 12,300 Bitcoin Gold, which has a monetary value of just over $260,000. In response, the exchange had requested that the developers of Bitcoin Gold pay a sum of $265,000 as compensation for what they referred to as a fault in the Bitcoin Gold chain that allowed the heist to occur. Bitcoin Gold's team released a statement on their website. The writer highlighted that they did not believe that the security policy on Bittrex was not good enough to mitigate the risks associated with cryptocurrency. As a result, the team is convinced that the exchange, not the cryptocurrency and its change, is responsible for the loss of profits. Bittrex had issued an ultimatum to the team behind Bitcoin Gold. If they were non-compliant in paying the compensation, they would have their coin delisted from the major exchange. But according to the team, the payment will not be made and the coin will be willingly removed from the exchange and its listing section. For the Bitcoin Gold team, it seems that this decision was a strategic one. If they were to openly admit wrongdoing and pay what is effectively a legal ransom, they would have set a precedent that their technology was unsecure and that companies who had lost money using the chain can also request to be paid for their losses. Instead, the company chose to kick the blame down the road, charging Bittrex itself for having lax security measures that allowed the funds to be stolen by the unknown hackers. For Bitcoin Gold, this is not the first notable security incident to be widely publicized. Last year there was a theft of around $3.3 million worth of Bitcoin Gold when social engineers managed to trick unknowing users into putting their funds into a false wallet. So what do you think about this? Was it the fault of Bitcoin Gold or was it the fault of Bittrex? I'm unsure myself about that, although it does sound like it could have been the fault of Bitcoin Gold. Personally, I'm a Bitcoin maximalist. I know that Bitcoin has never been hacked, so I will be sticking to the original Bitcoin. But let me know what you think in the comments. Now, Elon Musk, when he's not faking space for NASA, he is often talking about cryptocurrencies, and his Tesla company do accept Bitcoin for purchases of Teslas. So he is a good proponent of cryptocurrency, no matter what you might think of his space projects. Anyway, he's been playing along with the Ethereum giveaway scam on Twitter recently. Barely a few hours after crypto giveaway scam bots on Twitter targeted the official account of Pope Francis to promote a fake Bitcoin giveaway, Elon Musk has again been targeted while taking a playful jab at the now ubiquitous Twitter scam. Replying to a thread under a tweet from TechMeme referencing Twitter's latest purge of scam bots, Musk playfully remarked, "At this point I want Ethereum even if it's a scam." Incredibly, right under Musk's clearly tongue-in-cheek tweet, a fake Elon Musk handle soon appeared after, touting a purported crypto giveaway from the Tesla founder in a now deleted tweet. As other similar cases of high-profile accounts on Twitter being targeted by the scam giveaway botnet, the network of dummy accounts used retweets and likes to push the fraudulent reply to the very top of the thread so that it appeared immediately after Musk's tweet, creating the impression that Musk had replied to his own tweet in a thread. This sort of astroturfing makes it easier for potential marks to fall victim to the scam. The image in the scam link shows Musk at a speaking engagement, and it purports to a link to an announcement by Musk hosted on medium.com. When the user clicks, they are taken to a website, musksurprise.info, where a Medium article, supposedly by Musk, outlines the basic format of the popular scam, offering both Bitcoin and Ethereum giveaways, plus a Tesla Model 3 to one lucky winner after so-called verifying user wallet addresses by getting them to send a crypto sum first. At first glance, the name and photo at the top of the page seem to check out, especially as the poster's URL is medium.com/Elon Musk, which is pretty correct spelling of the SpaceX founder's name. Clicking on the poster's name, however, takes the user to a page of a completely different user called Rahul with the URL medium.com/Elon Musk. So the Medium article advertising a purported Bitcoin and Ethereum giveaway by Tesla's marketing department has a number of suspiciously enthusiastic and positive responses in the comments, which is a key signifier of the same kind of bot astroturfing that the botnet uses on Twitter. And CCN earlier reported that Twitter scammers targeted high-profile accounts in February with the aim of compromising them so as to promote fraudulent giveaways. Since then, cybercriminals behind the botnet appeared to have changed tactics, focusing on creating several duplicate accounts for high-value accounts and gaming Twitter algorithms to promote scam content. So definitely be wary of these things. I'm going to make a video on some Bitcoin and Ethereum faucets that I've seen, which are pretty much scams, total waste of time anyway. So look out for that video from me soon. An abandoned Bitcoin dark project sees a 5-fold price rise in solid volume. So Bitcoin Dark, BTCD, a cryptocurrency created in 2014 to compete with Bitcoin, but abandoned by its team at the beginning of this year, saw an impressive price jump of more than 400% on Tuesday and strengthened trading volumes as CoinMarketCap data showed. Oddly enough, Bitcoin Dark, which trades on Polynex and trade by trade only, spiked to a peak of more than $100 on 5:39 UTC on Tuesday from around $20 a day earlier, and compared to levels of around $15 during most of August. This is the highest price since May the 11th this year. Trading activity has also strengthened significantly, with the 24-hour volume exceeding $700,000 compared to daily trading volumes of some $100,000 to $200,000 over recently. Trading of Bitcoin Dark against Bitcoin on Polynex accounts for some 85% of the total volume, and trading of Bitcoin Dark for Monero on the same exchange makes up another 5%, which is very odd as it's an abandoned currency. Currently, the reasons behind the Bitcoin Dark price surge are not clear, and it seems that the bullish trend might be supported by a pump and dump move or by traders dealing with some insider information. The team behind Bitcoin Dark doesn't manage the project anymore, as it moved to the development of Komodo. Bitcoin Dark owners could swap their tokens for Komodo coins by mid-January this year. Obviously, not all Bitcoin Dark was swapped, as there is a circulating supply of 1.3 million Bitcoin Dark coins according to CoinMarketCap data, which some people suspect is not always accurate. Anyway, Komodo itself is amongst the best performers on Tuesday, gaining more than 17% on a daily basis to $1.57, its highest level since the end of July. Trading activity is also impressive, with the 24-hour volume of more than $3 million, much stronger than usual. But please be aware that trading volume, as reported by CoinMarketCap, can sometimes be wash trading, so don't rely on the accuracy of that data. So the question remains, will the Bitcoin price break through this previous resistance level that we did get back in July? We are at that level now. It's gone up slightly since I started making this video, so we are waiting to see if it's going to break through like it did on the 23rd of July. We do need more volume to be able to do that. We need more strength on the RSI. So if you've not already purchased any Bitcoin, click the link in the video description and you can get $10 or £7 worth of Bitcoin free from Coinbase, the most trusted Bitcoin exchange in the world that's never been hacked. So thanks for watching the video, thanks for subscribing and liking, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.